Hi guys, it's your girl Adaugo. So I am back like I never left. I hope to be consistent this time around. So in today's video, I will be reviewing this product right here. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Help me get to 3,000 subscribers before the end of this year, guys. I'm begging, please. And most people that watch my videos are not subscribed to this channel, so I'm asking that you should please subscribe. Let's get to the business of the day. So while I was away, I was trying different skincare products. I've had loads of skincare products that I've tried for my face and my body, my skin. My face is glowing, my skin is, glowing, and I'm so glad for the progress I've made so far when it comes to my skin, because it wasn't this way before. So I'm going to be reviewing this product. This product is Drunk Elephant T.L.C Framboos Glycolic Night Serum, 10% AHA and 1% BHA. Where have you been all my life? As a point, I was asking this product, where have you been all my life? Then I realized that this product has always been there staring at my face, but because of Sapa, I've not been able to afford it. It's not like it's not been there, it's been there, it's been calling me, but Sapa did not allow me to, buy it. So finally, I bought this product. This is finished though. As I finished this one, I went ahead and quickly bought another one. Guys, like, trust your girl to always go back and repurchase once the product is very good. If you don't have this product, you are sleeping on it. So I'm going to review this product. I'm going to say one or two things I actually do love about this product, and I'm going to talk about how I use it and how you should use it, how you should introduce it into your routine. So this product has glycolic acid in it, and it has BHA. BHA, we obviously know it's salicylic acid. That is the only BHA we have. Then it has 10% AHA, which consists of glycolic acid. They have lactic acid in it also. But what I am not very sure of when it comes to this product is how many percent glycolic acid it has inside of it. Do you get me? It has other AHAs, okay, but I'm not very sure how many percent of glycolic acid it has in it. Though it is an AHA product, but I think it's mostly glycolic acid because of how they wrote glycolic acid night serum in this serum. So this serum is so nice. Seriously, you need to watch this review to the end so you understand what I'm talking about. This serum right here is so nice. If it is not nice, I won't go ahead and buy the second one. It's so nice. It comes in a gel form, and just a little goes a very long way. You don't really have to apply so much, even though I am heavy-handed. So I'm going to be talking about my experience with this product right now. So this product, my experience with this product. So when I first started with this product, I started using it once a week as usual. It's an AHA product. It has glycolic acid in it, it has lactic acid in it, and it has citric acid and other AHA products in it. It even has BHA, like I said earlier. So when I started, because I know it's an exfoliating serum, I knew, because I've been using skincare products, I knew exactly how I'm supposed to start off using an exfoliating serum. I knew I wasn't going to start off using it every day. So this particular serum, I had to start using it once a week. I used it first week, no reaction, no purging, nothing. I used the second week, once a week, no reaction, no purging. Third week, no reaction, no purging. Then I increased it to 2 times a week. So, but one thing I noticed with this product is that The first time I used this product, the first night, because I used that night, the first night I used this product, I woke up the next morning to have a shower, and my face was so smooth. Like that baby's bum smoothness. That was it. It was so smooth, my face. Like when I was washing my face, I was like, oh, is this a new face? And it continued like that. And over time, as I kept, even when I was using it just once a week, I still having this glow on my face. I will use it at night, then I will wake up and I will have this beautiful glow that you can actually see your face. Like my face can actually be your mirror. Like you can actually see yourself looking at me. My face was like a mirror. My face was so glowing. Like, there's some face that will glow. It looks like the person's face is oily or something. But this one is not. It's not like an oily kind of glow. It's that kind of glow. It gives you that kind of beautiful, lovely glow that everybody will that 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 comes around you will comment, and everybody that comes around you will know that you're using a very good product. Everybody that comes around you will know that you're taking care of your skin. That is what this product did for me. It gave me this lovely glow. Like the kind of glow it gave me, the kind of glow that tretinoin gives to me. I've been off tretinoin for a while now, so this product gives me that kind of glow that tretinoin gives to me. So while using this product did not break. When it comes to breaking out, this product did not break me out at all. But I'm getting to that part where it did break me out, but I will explain later. This product is very nice. You will experience any breakout if you use it rightly. It's not a product you use every day. Of course, if you use it every day, you're going to ruin your skin barrier and you're going to end up breaking out. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So it's not a product you should use every day. It's a product that you should use at least once or twice a week. You just build it up from once a week to 2 times a week. That is it for this product, and it gives a very lovely glow, and it helps to fade your dark spots with time. Like the kind of glow it gives to you, it brightens the face in a way that you will think you are using a skin lightener. Meanwhile, you're not using a skin lightener. It just brightens your face, gives you a glow. And I won't say it lightens the skin, but it gives that illusion that your skin is much lighter. Do you get what I'm trying to say? That is what this product has done for my skin so far. So this product is very nice, and I went ahead to repurchase. So when it comes to breaking out, I said this product did not break me out, but I'll get to a point where it broke me out. So I will explain what I mean by that. So when I started using this product once every week, then I ended up using it 2 times a week. So it got to a time I was like, okay, fine, let me use it now 3 times a week. And I started using it 3 times a week. The first time I used it 3 times, the third time a week. The first time I tried using it the third time a week, my face rebelled. Like it fought back, like, oh no, you can't do this to me. No, you can't do this to me. That was what my face did. So I woke up the next day with 2 pimples around the side of my face. I actually knew what caused it. I knew it's because I used it 3 times a week. That means my face, as of now, can't take more than 2 times a week. And that period, I used it. I was trying a facial scrub. I used it on Thursday, used it on Sunday, because I usually give at least 3 days gap in between to use it for the second time. So I used it on Sunday. Then on Tuesday, I used a face. Is it either Monday or Tuesday? I used a face scrub. I was trying one particular face scrub at a time. It has glycolic acid in it. So by the time I was using this one the third time that week. My skin flared up. My skin did not accept the fact that I use it 3 times a week. It might actually be because I've used a glycolic acid scrub that particular week, making it 4 times a week exfoliation. So my skin rebelled and I stopped using it 3 times a week, which in the future I'll actually start using it 3 times a week, between 2 to 3 times a week. I'll try to build it up to a place where I can use it 3 times a week. But for 2 times a week right now, it is working perfectly well for me. I can't complain. It gives a lovely glow. My friend who have not seen me for a very long time, the last time she actually saw me, my face was looking like whatever you're going to see on the screen was how my face was looking. So we've not spoken on video call for a long time, and we started speaking on video call. Each time we speak on video call, she was just like, oh, your face is so glowy, what are you using on your face? I actually, every time she's always saying that. I know, because when I go out, people always tell me, oh, you have a lovely skin, your face is always glowing and all that. I get that compliment often. This is a compliment I don't get before, but I get it often. Seriously, yeah. Before now, people will see me and be like, oh, you have a lovely skin, you know, what do you use? Your skin is lovely. But the kind of compliment I get now, is the kind of compliment that they will now, it's now be like, oh, you have a lovely skin, your skin is always glowing, your skin is always shiny. Like random people. I went for a birthday party one time like that. One guy that I met on that birthday party was like, your face is always shiny. I look your face is glowing. Anytime he sees me, he's staring at my face. And as I was saying, about that my friend. So every time we make video call, you know, video call have a way of making you look ugly somehow. But I don't look ugly in video calls, you know, because my face is healthy and glowy. So my friend, she kept asking what I use. I already know I don't hide what I use. So I told her. Then after some time, she insisted I'm going to help her buy the products I use, and I ended up buying the products. I'll put the chart here if I can find the chart and the video, or the screenshot showing you guys I actually helped her to buy the product. And she bought that product not because of anything, but because of my face, the way she said she wants to glow like me. And this is one of them. It's not like this is one of them, one of the many, but this is the first one I started for the past few months before I introduce others, which I'll be doing the reviews later. Okay, but this is outstanding too on its own, plus other ones I'm going to review later. But you see this product, if you start using it once or twice a week, will do a lot. Like I can't complain. I like to use my when it comes to exfoliate, I like to use exfoliate at least 3 times a week. But as it is now, I can't actually complain that I'm doing only 2 times a week, because this is actually giving the glow. It is giving what I want. Do you know what I'm trying to say? So I love this and I'm sticking to it. And I'm the kind of person that when I use something I love it. And I end up buying the product again, it means that there is a high possibility that that product is going to be stable in my skincare routine for a very, very long time. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So this is one of the stable now in my skincare. I love it. This one is finished. I was supposed to just, okay, see, I was able to get a few from it. This is how it looks like. It's like a jelly form. Oh, this one is the one that is finished though. Oh, is it the new one? So see how it is. It has this jelly consistency on it. Do you get me? That's how it goes. After, just when you apply it, see, apply it, rub it in, pat it. It gives an instant glow, which you can see. I don't want to apply it on my face because obviously today is not the day I use my glycolic. I use it Thursday and Sunday. So, and today is not the day, so I'm not going to apply it on my face. I'm going to just apply it on my hand. But be rest assured that this product is very nice. You see the glow that it gives. It gives a lovely glow that even when you wake up the next morning, looking glowy. My brother will always be like that he has never seen someone that wake up in the morning looking glowy, and that is me. If I'm going to rate this product, I'm going to rate this product 5/5. I'm not going to fault it, even though I broke out by using it on the third 3 times a week. But it's my fault. I'm not going to fault it. We should always know how to use the product, you know. At least something like this. I was expecting this product to purge me, but it didn't purge me. But what I want to tell you is that it might purge you. Every skin is not the same. Glycolic acid, I was actually expecting it to purge me. I won't lie. That was why I started it once a week. So even if I had any purge from this, it might just be one pimple on my forehead that disappeared maybe the next day. Apart from that, nothing. And I was actually really expecting that purging. I believe that the reason why I didn't purge me is because the product is comedogenic. That is why the reason why it didn't purge me. And so far, so good. I cannot complain. Do you get me? I can't. So I'm later on one of these days I'm going to make a video on how I actually use this product and the products that I use after it. So for now, this is all I have to say about this product. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Thank you. Get me to at least 3,000 by the end of this year, and I will be so grateful.